What's up, guys? Yesterday I posted a very important, the most important video I have ever made. I talked about my mistakes even before my channel existed, from almost 5-6 years ago, okay? And I want you guys to watch the part one because my laptop messes up a lot. I just want to let you guys know, because my laptop messes up a lot, my video was supposed to be 26 minutes, but it was only posted like 14 minutes of it. So the rest of it, I'm going to play it right now. This is just the introduction. So new viewers, go ahead and watch that one first, then watch this one. These two parts, you guys will remember this forever. And if you do not consider it, it's up to you. None of these are financial advice, but I talked about my mistakes. I want you guys to not make the mistakes I made. So watch the first one for sure, and I'm gonna tell you a strategy where you can make more gains rather than going and buying Solana or BNB, the coins that, or Ethereum or Bitcoin. Rather than just gaining 2, 3, 4x of your money, you have a lot better chances to make many x's of your money. So go ahead and watch this video after the first one if you didn't watch the first one, okay? So go ahead and watch it. If you are new to crypto, listen up. This is gold what I'm giving you, okay? Make sure you have some holdings, but not too much. Do not go all in to the coins, especially the coins that are risky. That's why with my members, we are buying small amounts of micro cap coins that are listed in a lot of exchanges, and they are just waiting for the alt season to come, which a lot of them have gone up and they have not come back yet, okay? Come back down. So they're not any cheaper than before, so we cannot even buy them anymore if we want to buy more of them. But I'm just saying some of the altcoins just take off and it's too late for you to buy them, but there are still millions. You guys can go to CoinMarketCap.com. You will see, let me just show you in CoinMarketCap.com then. The left side, follow my cursor here, 2.4 million coins. And this is not all. This is just the coins that are listed in CoinMarketCap.com. And if you go to this, recently added, and go to more, you will see that every hour, almost every several hours, a lot of coins are being added to this website. And some of them are already being created, but they're not being listed in this website. So you have to find it somewhere else. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, a lot of these coins, I made a video, go watch it, how to find gems. Go spend some time. Go buy the coins that have potential, and you can see it if they are already listed in a lot of exchanges. Let me give you some example. So you bought, for example, XRP, right? Like right now you buy XRP, okay? Okay, let me not give you XRP because a lot of people believe that XRP is going to go to 10,000. So they're going to be like, oh, 58 cents is cheap. So I'm not going to mess with that. Let's say Solana. You just buy Solana in this market cap, right? 66, almost $67 billion. And you are gonna, for example, put $2,000 in it or $1,000 in it. And when I'm giving you this number, 1,000, 2,000 is a lot of money for most of people in this world. Okay, maybe you have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 500,000 if you're watching this video, but $1,000 is maybe all somebody can afford to put into crypto. Okay, and then when you buy 1,000 worth of Solana in this price, Solana can maximum in the next this bull market that we're going into. I don't know when, after how much retracement. And let's say we're just gonna going from this price to higher prices. So you're not gonna even lose anything. Although in the last 7 days, it has lost 16%. But let's not judge it that way. You're just gonna start gaining money. Let's say 10x. Solana is gonna be $1,430, which will be exactly 10x of this coin. Are you going to be happy with $10,000, $9,000 in return? You put $1,000 and you are taking out $10,000. Are you going to be happy with that? If not, that's why I am saying that somebody who has only small amount to get into crypto and risk it or just try to invest it, bigger coins that have higher market caps are not worth it to get in. If you want to guarantee money just a little bit to say like, okay, the example I just gave you in the beginning of the video, if you are going to be okay, that you're going to be like, okay, instead of keeping it in my bank account, I'm 10x my money, I'm happy with it. Go ahead. Solana is a good choice. I'm not telling you to buy it because I'm not buying it. I have some Solana to get altcoins on Solana blockchain, but I'm not going to put $1,000 even on Solana just to say, okay, I'm going to take 10x my money. And there's no guarantee even, by the way, that Solana is going to 10x in how long. Okay, there's no guarantee for that either. But when you're going to buy something, and let me remind you, I made a video before. This number, guys, this number for Solana, this number, market cap, divided by this number is going to be exactly the price of the Solana right now at the moment. That's why you guys see that these numbers keep changing. Usually the supply does not change that fast because that means that's the numbers of the coins being contributed between people. So some people own 5 Solana, some people own 1,000 Solana, and all of it is 466 million Solanas, okay? And this is in circulation. So when you divide this number by this, you get this number. This is the calculation the calculation of the price, okay? You can do the same thing. That's why Tether is $1 because this number is all exactly or almost close to this number. That's what this divided by this divide. 1 divided by 1 is going to be 1. I'm teaching you math too if you don't know, okay? Just kidding. But so when you know this logic, you go down and say, okay, I'm going to go down to lower prices. And let me give you an example. Yes, you are risking more. But look at this coin, guys. This is a good coin just by looking at it. Why? Yes, it is going down. You can see the chart because everything is bleeding almost. But when you click on it, for example, I'm not telling you to buy this, guys. Just keep in mind, none of these that I'm mentioning is not a sponsor or anything like that. Look, go to all. You see this coin has already gone from 80 cents to 13 cents, okay? And again, this number divided by circulation supply, not the total, not the max. This number will be this number, okay? Now you go to markets and look, oh, it is on Binance, it is on KuCoin, it is MEXC, BitGet, all those big coins and bigger exchanges. And you guys see that it has a decent amount of volume in it, $7 million against 34 million in market cap. It is pretty decent, okay? So you put it in your watch list. You look at them in different times. You go look at their social media. You go to just more information, go to their website, see what the goals are. If you have time, if you do not, this is what you need to look at to find good coins. And let's say, for example, you put, instead of 1,000, you put $100 into this, for example, and you buy 10 different coins, 9 after this one, 9 different coins around this market cap, to spend that $1,000, but you have a higher chance of finding the next Solana that is gonna be 66 billion one day. I hope it makes sense. I'm talking just logic here, okay? Shiba Inu, when I bought it, it was several $1 million. It went to 40-something billion. Does it make sense? It's over 100x. I put $600 into it. I kind of risked my money way too much. 600 is too much for a coin that was not even listed in that many exchanges. But I took the 100% risk on it. And I'm not advising you to do that. But it hit the jackpot. But at the end, I just made my own mistake. I just started the video with talking about how I made mistake and I'm not still a millionaire. But I'm giving you like a brother. This is a brother talk with you, okay? Listen up. This situation that I'm explaining, guys, is gonna be is going to help you a lot. This method that I'm explaining to you, instead of going to buy, for example, Solana or Binance or Ethereum, you can risk your money a little bit more, but you already know these exchanges have accepted this coin and give them the chance to succeed. In the like 4 or 5 years ago, Solana was nothing. I remember Solana was 60 cents when it was just listed in Binance. I remember the price of Solana being 60 cents. Who knew that Solana was going to be all-time high of 200 something dollars? Who would know it? You wouldn't know. Nobody knew. A lot of the people who bought the Solana just with luck or whatever, same as I bought my Shiba Inu very cheap, I hit that jackpot, so you can too. Instead of risking your money with one coin and buy Solana and say, okay, Solana has already given its return. You're not the bigger the market cap is, the more money it needs to double, triple, quadruple your money or 10x your money. You need to understand that. So if Solana, for example, at this moment is on $66 billion, $66 billion of market cap, it needs to double of this number to just get into $284, which is double of this. I hope it makes sense. So the more money, especially in the early stages of crypto, we are still early in this crypto. 10, 20 years ago, we're gonna be people who bought Amazon, for example, in like when it was $2. I can promise you that, because internet was not around that much 20, 25 years ago. Nobody knew everybody was gonna have a cell phone with internet in it. But now we are lucky enough that we are in crypto, that we're gonna make a lot of money if we are smart enough and we do not make the mistakes I made before. So I am being open here and I'm trying to let you know you can do better than I did. Okay? I wasted 8 years of my time and money just because I was part of that 99%. And as I said, I am brave enough to share this with you so you do not do the same thing. Okay? I'm not going to do technical analysis. I'm just going to touch a little bit on this because I already promised you I don't want to fool you to keep all the way here. But right now, still I am expecting Bitcoin to get rejected, to go back down almost to at least $50,000, $50,000 to $51,000, to get a little bit more support. And if it is going to get enough support, it's going to go back up. But around almost $64,000, $65,000 is going to be a very hard point to pass. And the reason is, and if you're asking why, this is why. The top, which caused Bitcoin, the first top of this wave in the last bull market was around $65,000. And it made Bitcoin to crash 50%, 50. And when you make a line, almost every time we have reaction to that level. Not every time, a lot of times. So I am still expecting, even if we go higher, same as in here, we did like 4 times, we have made 3 waves up here. We can still make another one, go even to 64, 65,000 and make another downtrend. I mean, another dive down, okay? Now, but we still don't know if the market is going to be messy enough. I'm still expecting to have another bounce up, but we might revisit down, get more liquidity and start going higher. But as I said, this is a very good level of support as long as we do not break below $47,000, okay? And if we do, 43 is going to be my next target, and we can go down to even 40,000. Then I need to look at the situation. A lot of people, most of people, they know who they are. They did not believe that we're not going to even go below 65K. I just saw somebody's comment after 4 months. I forgot to reply. I saw it in my YouTube account. He said that he had mentioned that we're not going to ever go down to $65,000. Almost 4 months ago when we were like around here. I don't know what happened. We went down a lot lower. So don't be sure that you know what's going on in the market. Be aware, hold some of your altcoins. I'm going to talk more about some strategies that you need to know, the way that you will have a little bit of everything. I usually talk to my members about this kind of stuff, and I have videos in my members video, but I am trying to give this to you for free to let you guys know that I care. I really want every single one of you who are watching this video to make money, get into the freedom you want, get the heck out of the job you hate to do, you hate to work, so you can spend more time with your family. Okay? I have a wife. I am in a student loan debt. Although I'm an engineer and I'm working in a huge company, I have to pay 10 years of payments to pay back what I got from the government. This is just 100% me right now, okay? I already made another vlog channel that I'm challenging myself. This channel is way too serious for me, but I'm a fun person usually. So I made that channel so I can be more myself, you know? But in general, thanks for watching. Ask your questions down there. This is what I'm looking at, and as long as Bitcoin is not going down and it's not starting to crash, same as what we saw in the last bull market, I am still expecting alts to keep bleeding or going sideways. So don't expect altcoins. There is a huge possibility is that if we do not break this line, that we had a reaction before to it, we can still get rejected one more time. So we might see a little bit of sideways for Bitcoin and altcoins rally. Not too much, maybe 20-30%. But as long as we're not seeing something like this, we're not going to see alt season. I'm sorry. All right, thank you for watching. I was too serious in this video, but honestly, I really try to help you guys to learn from me. My father had a quote. I lost my father 3.5 years ago, and he always told me he worked in a construction, which was a very hard labor work. It was very hard. So in summers when I was back home and when I was a kid, I would help him, and I knew it. Like for the first week, all my muscles were sore because I had to carry bricks and everything, all very heavy stuff. And he told me always to motivate me was, work for me, learn for yourself. I will remember this forever. So listen to me, decide for yourself, but don't just rely on what I'm saying. Just consider it. Just consider that you just read a book from someone's experience. Book is the same thing. You read with a slower pace, but you just listen to all my words, almost all of them, in like 20 minutes. I don't know how long it was. Thank you for watching. I hope you make millions of dollars in crypto very soon, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.